It's a lively city, and it's also an industrial city. So it's an economic engine, one of the economic engines in China. I'm really happy to be here. We have many dealer partners here in Chongqing, and in fact, some of them visited me in Stuttgart in Germany this week. Oh, absolutely, Chongqing being one of the biggest industrial clusters in China. A lot of the industrial supply base is here. We cooperate with suppliers around the country, and it's impossible not to do business with Chongqing.
And we have a long-standing relationship with Longqing. We're very proud of that relationship, and also being the largest city with many customers here for BMWs. Yes. You know, especially for new electric vehicles and NEV vehicles. We continue our cooperation. We want cooperation with Longqing